Okay guys, everybody's been telling me to get some videos up and do a toolbox tour or whatever, so I'm going to try my hand at this. Let's try it. Here we go. This is my little small snap-on box, KRA something. I don't know the exact numbers on it, but there's some Chilton's books and bandsaw. Anyway, let's start out over here on the small side. Just some cheapo brushes. And I'm not going to go through what every drawer has. I'm just going to open them and let you see them. So. And that back there is Harley Davidson twin cam tools for replacing, removing and installing cam bolts. This is just a few extra parts that I've collected along the way. This is brake bleeding stuff. That's 2 kits of the Mighty Vac. This is just household stuff, type of stuff. My electrical drawer. More electrical stuff. These here are primary locking tools. That's fork seal tools, wheel bearing, and that's a clutch nut tool. Harley. That's just tire repair kit, plugging kit. This here is handy as hell. For the axle nut on Harley, rear axle nut that is. Some seal and bushing drivers. Haven't seen those in a long time. Got those from Harley, from Snap-on. And then this is just corded tools. Sawzall, grinder, heat gun, roto zip, a regular drill underneath those bandsaw blades, a Ryobi. I'm kind of impressed with Ryobi here lately, but whatever. And of course this is my Matco 6 Series triple bay toolbox, but that is going to be a different video. I'm going to save that for a whole video by itself. Okay, well that was my tour of my little Snap-on box there. This is my first video, so be easy on me guys. I hope you enjoyed it. There is more to come as soon as I can come up with some more content. See you in the next one.